I'm on an active volcano in Japan. It's called Mount Yakedake, or just Yakedake. Let's go hiking. Snowy mountain. I got my speed shades. Mount Yakedake. Oh, that's English. I was like, I don't know what that says. It's a volcano. Let's go. I got my hiking boots on today. I'm ready. I'm in the Alps. The Japanese Alps. The Alps of Japan. I don't know a whole bunch about this hike. All I know is it's like 6 hours and it should be fun. It's a beautiful day. We're in the month of June. It's not raining. The sun's out. The bugs are out. What in the hell? Oh, it's a car. What? There must be a road or something and then it like tumbled. That's crazy. Bloop. Wow. Unsettling. That's spooky. It's like overgrown. It's been there a while. Yeah, I guarantee there's like a road up there and I just crashed through the trees. Wow. Views. It's been like 5 minutes and I'm tired. Oh God. It's just switch back, up, up and up. I wore pants because of the bugs or whatever. There are a lot of bugs, but it's hot, spicy. This trail is so cool. There's like trees and rocks. It rocks. Butterfly. Ah, he's so quick. Hello. I'm already impressed how maintained this trail is. To get here, it's like an hour away from the city in the middle of the mountains. You have to drive through a whole bunch of tunnels and a dam. Oh, look at the dam. Damn, that's cool. But yeah, this trail is in the mountains, so it's pretty cool to see how maintained it is. Trail marker. It's a face. Konnichiwa. The top of his head got chopped off, so he's probably screaming. Bye. Oh, look what I did. Like, these stairs are so cool, so cute. Little tunnel, so much life. Wow. The mountain. I'm going up there, I think. Beautiful. There's snow in the Japanese Alps. Meow. There's a vent smoking like Chief Keef. There's these people, so we're gonna be where those people are. This is so cool. It's lit. I'm Almost there. I know I say this a lot, but who maintains this trail? It's so nice. It's wide. There's nothing in the way. There's no holes. The steps are good. And it's in the middle of a mountain range. To whomever maintains this trail, thank you. You're doing a great job. I'm almost there. Almost there. Spotted something. Like a little runoff blockage thing. That's cool. I keep smelling something. I'm like, oh, what's that smell? Did I fart? I don't think I farted. But I didn't. It's an active volcano, so it kind of smells like sulfur. The mountain farted. Believe it! Wow. The mountain's talking. But what is it saying? Believe it! The top's right there. Sup? What a beautiful mountain, Mount Yakedake. Whew, she's stinky. There's a vent right here. Ooh, it's kind of warm. It's an active volcano. Ugh. It's cool, the yellow and greens from the sulfur, I'm assuming. The wind picked up, as you can tell, and it got kind of cooler. Ooh, windy, and the clouds came. Gotta go down there. This hike, it does loop like around and then back into that valley. but I'm just gonna go back the same way I came. The loop takes like 10 hours, and I want this to be like a 6-hour hike, so. Goodbye, Mount Yakedake. You stinky little girl, you nutty little. This hike's pretty chill. Like there are rocks and you kind of have to watch your foot placement, but it doesn't get like crazy steep or anything, so not that scary. Really nice. Beautiful mountain. Yakedake, you sexy little thing. You sweet little. Wow. Back in the bush. Fun fact, there are bears in Japan. And they like to cruise party in forests like this. These leaves are amazing. Whoa, that's crazy. I see the road. I'm almost done. I'm done. That was a great hike. 10 out of 10. Well maintained. Pretty easy. 360 views. Goodbye. Now that was epic.